Pay attention, son. This is for your own good.
America has landed on planet Mars again, most recently with a roaming science lab Curiosity. But why Mars? Today on Transit TV, let's learn a little about Earth's closest planetary neighbor. Earth is the third planet out from the Sun. Mars is the fourth. It was named centuries ago for the Roman god of war and is nicknamed the Red Planet because of a whole lot of iron oxide on the surface, which gives it a reddish tinge. It also takes Mars 687 Earth days to orbit the Sun. Because the planet tilts on its axis, Mars has seasons just like Earth. But being further away from the Sun, and because its atmosphere is 100 times thinner and doesn't hold heat well, it's much colder. A summer's day on the Martian equator might be a comfortable 70 degrees, but at night it plunges to 100 degrees below. The Olympus Mons Mountains of Mars, at 14 miles high, are the tallest known mountains in our solar system. And just like Earth has the moon, Mars has two small moons, Phobos and Deimos, that orbit the planet. NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, has had Mars in its sights for 50 years now. The first flyby of Mars was in 1965 with the Mariner 4 spacecraft, which learned that much of the surface was once covered by water. In 2005, radar found ice at the poles. Several landing craft since then have sampled the Martian soil and radioed information back to NASA about the chemical composition. Mars is currently hosting 5 functioning spacecraft. 3 of them, the Mars Odyssey, Mars Express, and the Mars Reconnaissance orbiters, are high above the planet circling and gathering data. 2 others, Opportunity and the aforementioned Curiosity, landed safely on the surface and are doing their jobs there. There are also several others on the planet's surface that either didn't land successfully or have finished their missions and are now defunct, meaning they no longer operate and communicate. And if you're wondering, Mars can be seen with the naked eye right here on our home planet. But for a better view, use a telescope. At their closest points of orbit, Earth and Mars are 34 million miles apart. I'm the Transit TV teacher, Justin Vyor.